can't even lie to you guys. This is probably one of my favorite cars of the entire series. 67 Camaro LS. Very nicely done.
Don and Marilyn Peterson, 67 Camaro, Tyler, Texas. We've had multiple cars. The other one we have now is a 65 Corvette, no room. So we wanted something not real big, but with a back seat and a trunk. So that the Camaro is what it came down to. It's a 67 RS SS. This is the first time it's been out on the road. It's got a LS3 motor with a 4L60 automatic transmission overdrive, vintage air, power steering, power brakes, disc brakes on the front, 18-inch tires and wheels.
So you can pretty much go anywhere you want to in it.
Should be able to. Like I say, this got about, well, we put probably 40 miles on it down here. That's the first time we've had it out to see how it's done. Kind of a shakedown. But it's, so far, it's stuff that we can fix.
Who did you work on it?
It was done locally there in Tyler. The boy that, I don't know anything about computer control motors. Small blocks, big blocks, yes. But when we got this one, everybody said, oh, you just need to put an LS in it.
Yeah, you did right.
I don't know anything about LS. Boy, put the LS in it, named Lance Harper, there right outside of Tyler. And he put the motor and transmission and everything. So far, it needs some fine tuning, but it's working. The body and interior and everything is just like it came.
Same color?
Oh yeah, same color. And it is a genuine RSSS. It has the Deluxe interior, which it came with on the cow tag. But it doesn't really matter now, because now it's an LS.
Hey, there you go.
All that stuff don't matter.
Yes, sir.
But it's real. All original body panels. Didn't have to change any body panels to paint it. Floors are original, rockers are original, quarters are all original.
Wow.
We just stripped it and painted it. We bought it about 2 years ago. And put it back just exactly the way the trim, and it was the way the trim tag said, and that's the way it is.
All right.
So we enjoy it. It's got enough room to put us and our friends in, but not so much room that it takes 5 people to wipe it off.
There you go. How long have you guys been coming to cruising?
Well, our first year was 98, and I just looked on this shirt, just put it on. It's an 06 shirt, so it's 19 years old.
There you go.
So we've been coming about 25 years, I think.
You go to a lot of other car shows?
Oh yeah, well, yeah, we go to a bunch.
Okay. All right.
All we can.
Thank you for your time.
Thank you.
He said all original metal, no filler, no extra condo cake. One of the best builds of the entire week. I'm gonna leave you with a few more first gen Camaros.